Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today what we got going on, this place has been logged, and this is where they used to, for their landing. And anyway, this was all nice grass or whatever. I'm going to take the dozer here, we're going to scrape this gravel up, and we're going to redo this gate and stuff. So I'm going to be moving the road over a little bit, and so I'm going to take this gravel, we're going to utilize it up there. Gonna clean this up and get it ready for seed and stuff. That way he can get some grass back in here and doesn't have a muddy mess to deal with, and can get through here with the mower. This is the property where we've got the lean-to pads up on the side of the barn. Eventually the house is going to be tore down. We're going to clean this mess up through the ditch, probably burn most of it when we burn the house. But for now, let's get this cleaned up, and then we'll work on getting the gates put up, and yeah, let's get her done. All right, let's get her fired up and get to work. Alright, well, got her all slicked up and cleaned up. Got the driveway built over. That way when we come through, we're going to put the gate across right here. And that way you got plenty of room to come in from the road. And with a trailer and stuff, with a big truck. Which is the reason why that hole was in the fence. And when they was logging, they had the landing area there. So anyway, this ought to make it accessible. Come in with a truck when he gets around the building. And so we're gonna put a gate here. Got the road moved over. Used all the gravel that was down here for the landing. Got a little bit of a swell, let the water drain out. Culvert back in there going across under the road over into the creek. And got this low area filled in some, so it won't be like a pond when it rains. And we'll come back in here with some crushed stone and put on this driveway and slick it up later on. But at least now this area here is nice and smooth where you can get in there with a mower and stuff, and don't have any ruts or anything where you can tear his mower up, get the grass growing in there, don't have to worry about chopping rocks up. So I think it turned out pretty good. Well, appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button and be sure to follow, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Appreciate it.